minutes yoga flow for hip openings to have moon pose.
Hi, welcome to yoga channel, my yoga channel, Anna Yoga. Today we will do a nice flow for that big pose. We will do half moon. Let's start in a cross leg position or something that is comfortable for you. Yeah, you can close your eyes and so also open your gaze. Your spine is long. Just for a moment, close your eyes, just connecting with yourself. Feeling your body, nothing to change. We breathe together, inhale. Open mouth, exhale. Just feel the relaxation that comes after each exhale. Again, inhale. Open mouth, exhale. And now let's come to Ujjayi breath, the yogi breath. Inhale through the nose. Constrain your throat. Exhale through the nose. Again, inhale. Exhale. It's a quiet moment to be with yourself, knowing that this is your space, your time. Let's inhale, open your eyes, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. So let's start on child pose. Your toes together, opening your knees wide. Hips to your heels, bend your arms forward, bring your forehead to the mat. Inhale, constrain your throat. Exhale through the nose. Ujjayi breath, yogi breath. Inhale, exhale. The next inhale, plant your hands into the mat. And as you exhale, find the first downward facing dog of the class. Just send your hips up and back. Bend one knee and then the other knee. Just do what it feels good for you. This is the first downward facing dog. Just something that feels good for you. And let's all come to still. Downward facing dog. Inhale, come to your toes. Bend the knees, look forward. Just gently walk to the front of the mat. Your feet around hip distance apart. Fold forward. Relax your neck, your spine down. Option to grab your elbows, rock down. Relax there and breathe. You can stay still or move to one side and then the other side. Keep sending the hips to the sky. Neck is completely relaxed. Inhale, halfway lift. Shoulders back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, mountain pose. Reach with your arms to the sky. Exhale, hands to heart center. Smooth the shoulders back. Just take a moment just to find your breathing again. And we will do one sun salutation, breath and movement. It will be like movement meditation. Let's start. Inhale, bring your arms forward and up. Exhale, hands through your heart, fold forward, relax your neck, your spine down. Inhale, halfway lift your torso away from your legs, shoulders back. Exhale, plant your hands into the mat, send your feet back, high plank. Drop the knees, come all the way down into your bed. Inhale, cobra pose, elbows back, chest forward and up, shoulders down and back. Exhale, forehead to the mat. Inhale, tabletop or high plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right leg high. Exhale, bend the knee, open your hips. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Swing the back heel down. Inhale, warrior two, open to the side. Your knees bend and align with your ankle, back leg extended. Gaze forward. Inhale, reverse warrior. Gaze to your hands. Front arm back and up. Exhale, extend the triangle. Your front arm outside of your front foot. Extend the other arm up. The back leg is extended. Engage your core. Inhale, reverse warrior one more time. Convert this in reverse triangle, extending the front leg. Gaze to your hand. Inhale, exhale, triangle pose. Swing the hips back, front arm forward, forward. Hand outside of your front foot to your leg. Extend the other arm up, triangle pose. Inhale, and as you exhale, bend the front knee, your front hand, like one foot in front of your pinky toe, the other hand to your hips, short to your stand, and send the back leg up and back, half moon. Stay here, maybe you can stack your hips, open to send the other arm up. Breathe here. Inhale, exhale, back, foot back, low lunge, downward facing dog. We will do the other side. Inhale, bring the left leg high. Exhale, bend the knee, open your hips. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Bring the back heel down. Inhale, warrior two. The hips are open to the side. Arms are extended to the side. Front knee bend and align with your ankle. Stay there and breathe. Inhale, reverse warrior, front arm up and back, gaze to your hand. Exhale, extend the triangle, front hand outside of your front foot, extend the other arm up. Engage your core. Inhale, reverse warrior one more time, front arm up and back, gaze to your hand. Convert this in reverse triangle, extended the front leg, both legs extended, inhale. And as you exhale, triangle pose, front arm forward, forward, send your hips back. And then the hand outside of your front leg or to your leg. And extend the other arm up. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale, bend the front knee, your front hand in front of your pinky toe. Short to your stand, your hands to your hip. Send the back leg up and back. Maybe you can stack your hips. And maybe you can extend the upper arm up. Half moon. Inhale. Exhale, hands to the mat. Low lunge. Downward facing dog. And let's come to child pose again. Bend the knees, toes together. Extend your arms forward, bring your forehead to the mat.
Stay as long as you want in your child pose and rest. Thank you. If you like, subscribe to my channel, Anna Murphy Yoga.